We all need to stay connected to the people we care about. But to stay safe and healthy, we've had to isolate ourselves from the rest of the world. That's why I wanted to create something that could better connect us and help us get through this difficult time together. That's why I designed the No.10 Phone Stand, a foldable, mailable phone stand you can send to anyone in the world. The stand separates from the mailing sleeve and folds together in seconds. The high-quality cardstock is strong enough to hold any phone on the market and even some small tablet computers. You can even fold together the mailing sleeve and use it to keep the phone stand flat. I drew inspiration for the design of the No.10 Phone Stand from my experience in Japanese culture. When I was a kid, I used to fold origami, and more recently I've been learning the Japanese language. What I discovered during my Japanese sessions was that it was really difficult to hold a book and write stuff down, all while trying to prop up a phone at the same time. That really made me think, there's gotta be a way to do this. I started creating prototypes out of paper, and that really led me to where the design is today. The size constraints of the No.10 Phone Stand were crucial to its design. I wanted to create something that could be shared with anyone in the world for the cost of a postage stamp. I need you to join me on this journey in raising at least $2,000 to help get this product out into the world. Now that money is going to go into the die cutting, the printing, and the shipping of this product. In order to get a product like this off the ground, I need to print a minimum of 500 units. It's a very simple product, but in order to get it out in the world, I need to make a lot of them. Once I get this product launched, I can begin to offer custom printing on this phone stand and have your own logo, your own branding, your own messaging. The No.10 Phone Stand, a foldable, mailable phone stand you can send to anyone in the world.